The first part of Sifaat-ul-Huroof is about strong letters. Strong means firm, and in this quality, whenever you feel during the recitation that the word has a firm and blocked sound during its pronunciation, it means you are performing the strong letters. Understand? You can see easily in your post that there are 4 given examples. With the help of these examples, we will learn that what is the meaning of strong letters. Okay? But remember that you have not to remember and you have not to count these letters, that 1, 2, 3, there are 4 letters, there are 5 letters. The main thing is that you have to feel the sound only. Okay? The main rule of their nomination is to feel the sound during the pronunciation of any of the letter, and with that nomination you will be able to put according to their quality. If it will be strong, then we will put in the strong. If it will be soft, then we will put that letter into the soft. So let's move toward the examples of strong letters. The first example is of letter ta. What is of letter ta? Ta. When we pronounce أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, من الشيطان الرجيم, here you can see the sound is blocking and the sound is firm. When I pronounce this letter ta, من الشيطان الرجيم. Understand? The next example is of the letter qaf. You know very well its makharij, the root of the tongue is the makharij of the letter qaf. So when we pronounce the letter qaf, the sound is also blocked. Here with the given example of Surah Al-Qari'ah, 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 Qari'ah. Here you can see the sound is blocked in our mouth. That's why we put this qaf in the strong letters. Okay. Now move to the third example, which is about letter dal. The makhraj of the dal is the tip of the tongue, and you can see when we pronounce the letter dal, dal, the pressure is behind our tongue, and when we pronounce the letter dal, the blocked sound and the sound will be firm. That's why we put the dal in the strong letters. The example is that Maliki Yawmiddin in Surah Al-Fatiha. Maliki Yawmiddin, Deen. You can only feel the sound and put the letter in the specific quality. The last example of this quality is of letter Ba, which will pronounce from our both lips. Here you can see ba, ba. But if I can give you a Quranic example, how tabbat yada in Surah Al-Lahab, tabbat yada. Here you can see the sound is pushing our lips from the behind, so the sound will be blocked and the sound will be framed. Okay, so remember the rule of strong letters, that whenever you feel the sound is blocked or the sound is framed, you have to put that letter into the strong letters. Now move towards our next lecture, which will be about soft letter.